बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हो प्यारे बच्चों, उम्मीद करती हूँ खैरियत से होगे। दिस इज एडवेंचर्स ऑफ इजाबेल पोम और टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डू द क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स ऑफ दिस पोम. Because we have already completed the explanation and word meanings part of this poem, so it's time to move towards the comprehension part and complete the exercise A. So, let's begin the exercise A. Hold the pencil in your hand and watch the video till the end, so you may not miss any points that I'm going to share with you in this poem. Part A, question number 1 says, what did Isabel do before she ate the beer? First of all, we have to understand what are they asking us about in this question. What did Isabel do? Exactly what was she doing? And this question is in past tense, so we have to write the answer in past tense. And what are they asking about doing? It's just before she ate the beer. So we are going to look the answer in the given poem, where we have been provided with the Isabel met an enormous bear. Isabel didn't care. The bear was hungry. The bear was ravenous. The bear's big mouth was cruel and cavernous. And if you just move 2, 3, 4 lines ahead, you'll find out that she washed her hands and she straightened her hair up. Then Isabel quietly ate the bear up. So what we have to write here, we have to write the actions or what actually was Isabel doing before eating the bear. So here we have been provided with the phrase that then Isabel quietly ate the bear up. And what was she doing before that? She washed her hands and she straightened her hair up. So here we have been provided with exact words what actually she was doing. So we just have to write here that she was washing her hands and straightening her hair up when she ate the bear. Okay? सिंपल है. यहाँ पर आपने सिर्फ इस चीज को देखना है कि क्वेश्चन के अंदर इन्होंने हमसे क्या पूछा है. यहाँ पर इन्होंने हमसे कहा व्हाट डिड इजाबेल डू. इजाबेल क्या कर रही थी. पास्ट टेंस है, सो द आंसर विल बी इन पास्ट टेंस. और कब की बात पूछी है इन्होंने? बिफोर शी एट द बेर. तो हमें यहाँ पर इन्होंने एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं, हम उसी को यहाँ पर लिखेंगे कि शी वॉज स्ट्रेटनिंग हर हेयर अप और वट एवर इट वॉज गिवन बिफोर शी एट द बेर. ठीक है, आपने क्वेश्चन से ही आंसर को यहाँ पर फ्रेज आउट करना है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव पार्ट बी. व्हाट डिड द विच लुक लाइक. विच, here you'll find the answer. The witch's gum with teeth were sprinkled, or the witch's face was cross and wrinkled. So here the physical appearance of witch is given. We will write it as it is, that the witch's face was cross and wrinkled and her gums with teeth were sprinkled. ठीक है, we are not going to write anything apart from this, because we just have to write the specific answer, the to the point answer which do not includes any long explanations. ठीक है. Then we have part C. How did Isabel deal with the witch? Which means that how did Isabel deal? It means they are asking you that what did Isabel do to her, right? So we are going to find out that what Isabel did with the witch. Like she ate the bear earlier, so did she ate the witch also, or she did something else with the witch? We will find it out here. But she turned the witch into milk and drank her. So what did she do? She turned the witch into milk and drank her. She did not eat her, but she drank her after turning her into milk. Now it's about giant, the next one whom the Isabel met. So what did the giant want to do to Isabel? So after which we have been provided with giant's description, that the giant was hairy and it was horrid. He had one eye in the middle of his forehead. Good morning, Isabel, the giant said. I grind your bones to make my bread. So what this giant wanted to do to this Isabel, he wanted to grind her bones. And why did he wanted to do that? He wanted to do it to make his bread. So he wanted to grind Isabel's bones to make his bread. So here is the compilation of part A to D. You can take the screenshot of this poems, questions and answers from part A to D. Next we have part E, which says, what was Isabel doing during her meeting with the giant? She was eating her zwieback, a type of a bread. It's basically a type of a bread, or you can say it's a type of a rusk that we used to eat, which is having some sweet taste in it and a bit hard than bread. Bread is actually soft, but the zwieback is some hard type of bread. Then part F, what did the doctor want Isabel to do? He want him to swallow some pills. Very simple answer. And then part G, how did Isabel deal with the doctor? She cured the doctor probably by making him eat his own pills. Right? So what actually the doctor wanted her to do, she made him to do in turn whatever he was asking her to do. Right? Then we have two difficult questions, but before that you can take the screenshot of part F and G. Here it is, students, right? Just take the screenshots. Next we have part H. Do all the characters that Isabel meets behave in the way that you would expect them to do? What actually they are asking here is, do all the characters, the giant, the bear, the witch and the doctor. These are the four characters that Isabel met in the poem. So do all these characters that Isabel meets behave in the way that you would expect them to do? So what we are going to find out here, that for example, let's take bear. So bear has to behave in such a way where he can eat the girl, right? Because in reality, what the bear do, they can eat the other animals. Similarly, the doctor, they give pills, and the witch, the witch turns the people into some different things and try to eat them up. And for the giant, it's also like monster. So what is the monster's job? Of course, eating other people or other creatures. So all the characters that Isabel meets act or behave typical to their nature. That is exactly what they are expected to do, as we would expect them to. None of them act any differently to the normal way they should act. ठीक है, यहाँ पर हमें यही बता रहे हैं कि जिस तरह से इनको एक्ट करना चाहिए, इन्होंने उसी तरह से एक्ट किया, इन्होंने कोई डिफरेंट एक्ट नहीं किया। यानी कि कुछ आउट ऑफ द ब्लूम जाकर इन्होंने ऐसी इसके अंदर चीज़ें यहाँ पर डिस्क्राइब नहीं की हैं जो कि इनसे एक्सपेक्ट ना की जा सकती। यानी जैसे बेर है, उसका काम है खाना, जाइंट है यानी मॉन्स्टर्स जैसे होते हैं, भूत होते हैं, और चुड़ैलें होती हैं, विच होती हैं, तो उनका भी यही काम है कि वो इंसानी खून पी जाती हैं। वैसे तो वो एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती, लेकिन जैसा कि फेरी टेल्स के अंदर होता है, तो उसके अंदर यही हमें बताया जाता है ना कि वो इंसानी खून पी जाते हैं और इस तरह की उल्टी सीधी हरकतें करते हैं। तो जैसी हरकतें वो करते हैं वही यहाँ पर डिस्क्राइब की गई हैं। ऐसी कोई हरकत हमें नहीं बताई गई जो कि एक्चुअली वो ना करते हों। ठीक है, उसके बाद पार्ट आई हमारे पास है और इसमें हमसे कह रहे हैं, what details from the poem show us that Isabel is self-reliant? Before attempting this question, we must know what is the meaning of self-reliant. तो self-reliant कहते हैं bold, self-sufficient, daring, खुद एतमाद, जिरी, बहुत बहादुर इंसान को कहा जाता है कि जो खुद पर भरोसा करता हो। ठीक है, तो हम यहाँ पर जो आंसर लिखेंगे वो भी इसी तरह से लिखेंगे कि यहाँ पर हमारे पास जो कैरेक्टर बयान किया गया है इजाबेल का, वो कुछ ऐसा ही है कि वो सेल्फ रिलायंट है, घबराती नहीं है, परेशान नहीं होती। सो इन द फर्स्ट फ्यू लाइन्स इट सेज दैट द गर्ल वाज नॉट फ्राइटन्ड बाय अ बेयर फॉर विच शी एट द बेयर इंस्टेड ऑफ स्क्रीमिंग और क्राइंग लाइक एनी अदर चाइल्ड। इससे हमें पता चलता है कि आम बच्चा होता तो वो चीखने चिल्लाने लगता, जिसकी जो है वो जगह पे जो ये लड़की है इजाबेल, इसने क्या किया, बेर को ही खा लिया। बेर उसको डरा रहा था खाने के लिए, उससे डरने के बजाय उसी को खा गई। ठीक है, शी डजंट पैनिक और आस्क फॉर हेल्प, इंस्टेड शी डील्स ऑल सच सिचुएशंस हरसेल्फ कामली। बड़े पुरसुकून अंदाज में उनसे ये सारी सिचुएशंस को हैंडल किया। हर जगह पर जो चुड़ैल, भूत और इन सब से उनका जो सामना हुआ, तो वहां पर वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं घबराई, नहीं परेशान हुई। इट शोज दैट इजाबेल इज सेल्फ रिलायंट। हमसे यही पूछा गया था ना कि क्या वो सेल्फ रिलायंट है, सेल्फ सस्टेनिंग है, तो हमने कहा जी हाँ, बिल्कुल वो ऐसी ही लड़की है। यहाँ पर हमारे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कंप्लीट होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स। आई होप के इट्स क्लियर टू यू। स्टिल इफ यू हैव एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस यू कैन आस्क मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। इफ it was helpful for you, please hit the like button and do share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. Thanks for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.